Hey guys, welcome back. So for today's video, we are reviewing, we're showing you guys this multi-use pill case. So right away, you can open this up and then it takes you to individual pill cases. Morning, day, night. So Sunday, each one is individually dated for the day. Each one has a symbol for morning, noon, night, and each one you just simply pop open. So you place your pills inside here, close it. It closes nice, opens very easy, slide it down in place, go for the next day. So this definitely is really nice. You can hold a decent amount of pills inside here. It's stylish. It's nice because you can also close the main lid, so for storing you just simply open it up. This is really nice. I'm very impressed, my friends. This is a really nice pill organizer. I'm actually going to use this for supplements that I have, but for your grandparents or even for yourself, this is a nice pill case. Very impressed, my friends.